Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your layers aren't showing up on CapCut PC. So it's probably because you've got free layer enabled. As you can see, if I added in some videos like here, still loading. Okay. I can see the layers button here, but it's because I have free layer off. But honestly, I like free layer a little bit more. So if you want it off, just go to settings here, go to the edit section, arrange layers, and you're going to enable it. Or if, for instance, you want the layer to show up, you're going to disable it and press save so that when you open up a new project, this is going to show up. But I prefer it without the layers here because you can easily just move it around. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!